Hey guys, welcome to Placements Prep. So it has been a long ago. I was not uploading videos in my channel. It may be the reason due to my office work. So and anyway, 2021 on-campus recruitment has already closed, and off-campus recruitments for 2021 pass-outs has already started, and it's going on. So anyway, parallelly 2022 pass out recruitment has also been started. So from today I'm going to upload videos for 2022 pass outs, all recruitment, all and job notifications on campus as well as off campus recruitments. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't be missing any of the updates which I'll be posting in my channel. And today in this video I'm going to discuss regarding an Atos Syntel on-campus company for 2022 passed outs. So in this video I'll be clearly explaining you regarding the eligibility criteria and which streams are eligible to take this exam for Atos Syntel, as well as how to fill the application form without any mistakes, and I'll be clearly discussing in this video, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. And without wasting much time, so let's get started. So the company name is Atos Syntel, and coming to first we'll be seeing the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is for 2022 full-time graduates only from recognized universities, and courses and streams eligible for this company are BE BTech Computer Science as well as Information Technology, and BSc CS IT PCM Statistics streams. Next, Bachelor's in Computer Science BCS, and MCA Computer Application. So these are the courses and the streams eligible to take exam for Atos Syntel. And also to register for this Atos Syntel, these are the courses to be eligible. And minimum aggregate of 60% in overall academics like 10th, 12th, UG and PG. You should be having minimum 60% of aggregate, and there should not be any backlogs at the time of joining. And also maximum 1 year break in education is allowed, that is from 10th or SSC to highest qualification. So more than one gap is not at all allowed for this company. So these are the requirements, the eligibility criteria you should know before going to apply for this Atos Syntel. And next, coming to drive location, as all of us know, it's work from home, so the drive location is going to be online. And the prerequisite required to apply for this company are, first and foremost thing is that good written and verbal English skills you should have, flexible to work in any shift, that is either morning, afternoon or night shift, 24/7 you should be available. And job location is either it may be Pune, Mumbai, Chennai or Tirunelveli. So these are the job locations. I hope you have understood the eligibility criteria and the drive location as well as the prerequisites required to apply for this company. And next, coming to guidelines, there are some guidelines provided. So before going to apply your application form, then you should go through each and every guidelines before applying, so that you will be not making any mistake. So I'll be providing link in the description, so you can open that link, and by clicking on that link a page opens, and first it will be displaying all the related eligibility criteria, drive location as well as the prerequisites which I have recently shown in my video. And also below that you will be having some guidelines, so you can go through each and every guidelines. It's very crystal clear that they have mentioned each and every point in detail, so please go through each and every point. So hope you all understood all the details which I have discussed in this video. And if at all, if you face any issues while filling the form, you can ping me in comment section. I'll be glad to help you all anytime. So if you have any doubts also, you can comment me in the comment section. And Here is the sample application form. After reading all the guidelines as well as the eligibility criteria, you can scroll up. At the bottom you will be having checkbox. After ticking a checkbox, you will be seeing disagree and agree, that is accept or disagree. So by clicking on checkbox, you can click on accept, then the registration form will be opening, which consists of all your personal details. So fill all your personal details without doing any mistakes. So hope it's very clear for you all, and if at all you have any doubts, please ping me in comment section. And this registration link is open only for those students who fulfill Atos Syntel's eligibility criteria. Please make note of it. Only the students who will be fulfilling the Atos Syntel's eligibility criteria, they will be having access to open this registration form. Other than that, no one will be having the access to fill this registration form. So keep that in mind and check your eligibility. If your skills are matching, or if your stream and you're eligible, then please go and apply. Don't wait till the date expires, last date expires. So apply for it as soon as possible, and all the best for your future. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.